Is your Microsoft Exchange MAPI Provider apps broken by the emsmdb32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for emsmdb32, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the emsmdb32, the Exchange MAPI Service Provider. It manages the unmanaged localized communication between Microsoft Outlook and localized Exchange and Outlook.com servers. It handles the localized RPC and HTTP data link for mail synchronization. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. emsmdb32 is part of Microsoft Exchange MAPI Provider runtime files. A clean reinstall of the current version of Microsoft Exchange MAPI Provider will repair missing or corrupted components. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered emsmdb32 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. The versions of emsmdb32.dll found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the emsmdb32 environment. If this diagnostic helped you resolve emsmdb32 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.